Listen to me now.
Hi friends, you want to see what's in my Budtender sample box? Well, come join me tonight on my Instagram live. I'm going live probably around 10 p.m. CST time. And so yeah, that way I can share all of these lovely samples. I can educate you. You can ask me questions about what it's like being a Budtender, about cannabis, about different cannabis products. I would love to share and connect. And yeah, check out my upcoming content with Summit, cultivated by Wheelhouse. Thanks for stopping by, and see you tonight at Shop Bohemian Try.